Hello guys. So I currently try Hyprland, and it's been working very nice for me so far. But as a Java developer, there's one issues I have. That is when I hover on the button on the right here, you see that the border is blinking. Okay, and it's very hard to click on these buttons, and that is quite inconvenient. So there's a simple fix for that. In case actually you only need to add these options. So click on help, okay, edit custom VM options. Let me increase the font a bit because it the text type will change after you apply this option. So you may need to edit these options again. But for the time being, I will increase this to like 24. Okay. I just paste this. I will put this in the comment section, the descriptions. But by adding this and save, and then open the application again. And you see that there's no flickering on the right anymore. So I can easily click on these options as I prefer. So that is a simple fix for the issues on IntelliJ. Hope that helps, and I see you in the next video.